Customization. It is the untorn fabric of Android and is a welcome testament to its inviting nature. But where this cherished road comes to a screeching halt is at the feet of a manufacturer's own customized skin. Maybe you, the consumer, want to explore a different aspect of the world that is Android. Or maybe you just want to escape the mess that is skinned software. Whatever the case may be, I will help you into the world of custom ROMs. In typical business fashion, your settings is where the party starts. Find About Phone at the bottom, then Status at the top, and look for your serial number. You will want to write this down in a notepad for later. Next, we need to enable developer options. Enabling this will allow us to access a wide variety of tunable settings and otherwise hidden functionalities in Android. But all we need to do there is enable Android debugging, and that is it. To do this, go to About Phone and scroll down until you find your build number. Tap on it 7 times until you have become a developer. Once you have done that, go back and you will see developer options. Scroll down until you see Android debugging and tap on the bubble to enable it. After this is complete, prepare your USB Type-C cable to a Windows PC. We will need to install Adb and Fastboot there, along with any drivers that you may need. Now we are at our browser here to download our Adb, Fastboot, and drivers, which we need to unlock the bootloader. So over here at the XDA forums, which I will leave a link to in the description, you will find the download links here at the bottom. You choose, I'll just choose Google Drive, whatever. Download, and once it downloads, I believe it's just a zip file that you extract. No, it's an exe, so you just execute it, let it install, and you go through a series of commands that look just like this. It's pretty easy to install. So here we are. I already have it installed. I don't need to do it again, but I will anyway, just for the sake of showing you guys. Click yes, and then press Y, enter, Y, enter, Y, enter. And this will ask you to install drivers. Just click next, finish, and all done. So before we get into getting the email from Zook to unlock our bootloader, we need to make sure that Adb recognizes the device. So we're going to open up a command prompt, plug in your phone, you should hear a noise, then type Adb devices. Let's see, there we go. If yours did not work, I will leave a link in the description to a video on how to manually install drivers. The first time that I did this, I had so many problems about drivers. Adb was fine, but Fastboot was my issue. Alright, once you have done that, you will want to go to developer.zook.com/bootloader. I don't think you will need to create an account. I have seen some videos that claim you do. I don't remember making an account for this, but just in case, I would make an account. So you'll want to translate this website, which would mean I would advise that you use Chrome to translate because it's in Chinese. So unless you understand Chinese, translate it in Chrome. So you want to click carry on, and then you want to select Zook Z2 because that is the model of my phone, and then the serial number. This is the number that I had you write down earlier. Now if your phone has a 7-digit serial code, so let's say 1 2 3 4 5 6, it's not 8 digits. So what you do is add a 0 and that will work. Or conversely, if you only have a 6-digit serial number, you will want to add 2 zeros. Although, wait, 5600. There we go. So yeah, you need to have a total of 8 digits. So just copy your serial number. If you have 6, add 2 zeros. If you have 7, add 1 zero. If you have 8, don't add anything. Then you will need to provide an email address that they can send you the unlock file to. So put your email address in and then click the check boxes. On a side note, I'm not sure if this makes any difference, but the first email that I tried to use was my Outlook account, and I didn't get the email until about 2 weeks later. So I went through this entire process again, but using my Gmail, and I got it instantly. So in case you don't get an email from Zook on the email that you tried, just try a different email and then click submit. So once you have received the email, you will find a little download that looks something like this: unlock_bootloader.img. You want to go ahead and download that and take note of where the download is, which is usually going to be your downloads folder in C drive. So you obviously can't open it because it's an image file, so you'll want to navigate to your downloads. Hold on, let me pull the window over here. And then date modified. Okay, so the most recent one right here. Okay, so once you have recognized that your device is working in Fastboot mode, what we need to do is paste this command into the command prompt. Now, one change that you'll want to make is taking all of this out, because what we're going to do is find our actual image file from our downloads and just drag it into the command prompt to verify that this will work. So once you do that, press enter, and then we have one more command to paste. So going into my notepad here, copy that, go to the command prompt, paste, click enter, and it should say finished. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys learn how to unlock the bootloader of the Lenovo Zook Z2. I plan on making a video of how to flash a custom ROM as well as a custom recovery. So until then, I will see you next time.